this is nice. Just not sure it's gonna translate well on camera, and that's like the big issue when doing photography. That like everything that looks nice in real life looks nice on the camera. Oh, we just got back to the same street, but from here there's some nice layers here with the cruise ships and the houses and everything. Let's see if we can get something out of that. Now we're getting higher up in the mountains, getting views like this one. Stumble upon this nice garden and wall with a tree on the right side and the house on the left. I'm hoping there's a scene here. Sticking around 35mm. I think I'm finally starting to grasp that focal length. I always said it was never for me, but I think I'm starting to understand it and see scenes as 35mm, not 50. Something about the solitude of this empty road down here that I want to capture. This time I think we're gonna expose down a bit. Still staying on 35. People waving. Bit of an idea with this crossing point here. It's the two Flöjbarn trolleys, or whatever you want to call them, are going to pass each other at this point. Make something work here. I need to do shot through priority. Turn it up a bit. I'll take this strap off because it's annoying. There you go, finally. I did not get the shot I wanted, but yeah, can't win them all. We're going down, down, down. The light isn't great here, but I think I might have a scene here with like the curling road and a bench sitting on the ledge of it. Let's try a low shot. One-handed, looking on the screen is not my preferred way to shoot, but I'm doing the screen shooting for you guys, because I would normally hold the camera up to my eye, like using the viewfinder. I like this. Something about the contrast from the blue and red to the greens here. And there's some decent lighting. Let's have a look here. You know what? This is not good. Do not replicate what I'm going to do, but I'm looking both ways. And I'm going to go out in the middle of the road. So clear, clear. There we go. Back in. There's a motorcycle coming. Oh. This one I like. The highways are normally my definition of fun. We do a bit of a slow shutter here. Slow-ish. Done. This could be nice. Okay, so now that we're in the city center, I'm gonna get rid of this ride because it's gonna be more for him than anything. Oh, look at this. I'm not sure if I actually want the cars in it or not. I don't think I do, so I gotta wait. I think that was the last photos for now, because it's getting late and I'm in the city center and I am embarrassed to be walking around with this chest mount with a camera on. So yeah, thank you for following me on this trip. I really enjoy doing these. The embarrassment is what keeps me from doing it more, to be honest. But I love sharing it, and I love sharing photography with you. So yeah, if this grows on me, I might do more again. But yeah, it's the embarrassment that kills me for this. Thank you.